What does the cat say?
No, mommy.
What does the cat say? That's the cat.
No, mommy.
That's not mommy, that's a cat. What does the cat say? Say it.
Meow.
Say it again. Are you a cat? You're a cat? Where's your hair? Where's your hair? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your teeth? Where's your ears? Where's your other ear? Good girl.
Hi,
You got 2 ears? You got 2 ears? Or you only got 1?
come on.
You got 1?
Yes.
You got 2?
Yes. Two.
Is your feet 2? Is that your feet? Are you almost done? Are you done going potty? No, okay. Tell me when you're all done. Dote poop. Are you done pooping? You all done? Do you need to pee?
Mommy! Daddy! Daddy! Mommy! Baby! Daddy! Oh yeah! What? Oh wait! Oh
Hey, are you tired? Do you want to go to sleep?
yeah!
You want to go sleep on the Spider-Man couch? Huh? You're gonna fall down. Do you need my help? Are you all done? Say, Auntie, I'm all done.
All done.
Say, Auntie, all done.
All done.
Auntie, me, all done.
All done.
Okay, all done? Okay.